go to the destination for all things Excel. Today, we are diving into the world of interpreting and presenting analysis results in Excel. Whether your data analyst is student or simply someone who loves to working with numbers, this tutorial is for you. So let's jump right in. Okay. So before get started, make sure you have your data loaded into Excel, and whether it's sales figure or survey response or any other types of data, having it organized ready to analyze it. Okay. So all right, here we are in Excel, and let's say we have a data set of sales figure for fictional company. The first steps is interpreting our data, is understand what we are looking at. Okay, so this means our examining trends, outliers, and any patterns that may emerge. So as you can see, we have our sales figure broken down by month. By visually inspecting the data, we can see the sales peak in June and also the July. Okay, so followed by the slight declines in August and also the September. And these types of visual analysis can provide valuable insight into the performance of our company. Okay, so now let's take our analysis a step further by creating our pivot tables. So pivot tables allow us to summarize and analyze large data set with ease. So well, it's start by selecting our data and then navigate it to the insert tabs. So from there, we are click on the pivot tabs and choose like here we want to our pivot table to be located. So you can select the new worksheet or exciting worksheet. For example, let's select the exciting worksheet. Okay, so here I want to show up, then hit on the OK, and here we have the blank pivot table. And once our pivot table is created, we can start dragging and also dropping field analyze to our data in a different way. So if I use sales figure into the values and month, I want to take it to the rows. Okay, so here we have now this one, and but why stop at pivot table? So let's create a visual our data in a more dynamic way. So to create pivot table or pivot chart, we will simply select our pivot table and go to the insert types and use the pivot charts in there. So in this case, we will select go with a bar chart, and we can easily select this one and then hit on the OK. Now we can easily see how sales performs various months at a glance. Okay, so here we can easily use it. Or what I'm gonna do, let me select this one and I want to take out here, let me zoom out this one. Now I can easily use or filter out this one. Like if I want to show yourself only generate zoom into here, then select it, and here you got the result and total sum of the sales figure, and we can easily analyze you can see ops. Okay, so Excel also offers a variety of data analysis tools that can help us even deeper into our data, from regressions analysis to scenario analysis. The possibilities are endless. So for example, let's say we want to perform a regression analysis to determine the relationship between like advertising spending and sales. We can use the Excel built-in regression tool. Do just okay, and so you can find this one like into the data types and use the data analysis. Please, and here you will get the option like you can use the regression, this one, then hit on the okay. You can easily use the input or input X, and also the Y range, and analyzing the result, we can give valuable insight into the effectiveness of our advertising campaigns. Okay, so like you can have the input range like this one. If I wanna use X, or I can just say this will be, and here it should like here. Before I can do this view, like I can have the this one, or before that, what I'm going to do, let me do it again, and I want to use this one as like select all and hit on the OK. Now go to the data analysts. Like if you do have the two series like X and axis or Y axis, you can easily use it. Like I can just select this one, or I can just easily use it, and just I can easily use it new worksheet and this one, then hit on the OK. Now you can see the result in here. Okay, so finally when it comes presenting our analysis result, visualizations are key, whether it is a chart graph or also the infographic. So visualizing our data makes it easier for others to understand and interpret. Okay, so here we can do, and we can also create the line chart, like you can easily see it by selecting this one. Then go to the insert tab again and use this time as a line chart, and you can easily compare this one with the visualize our sales data over time. So by adding also the levels and titles and also the colors, we can make our chart both informative and visualizing appealing. By using the chart elements or data levels, or you can use like here the data levels, and why do you want to use it, you can easily. So okay, there you have it. By mastering the art of interpreting and presenting analysis result in Excel, you can unlock with unbelievable insights and make data-driven decisions with confidence. So thanks for watching. See you in the next time.